Thank you for investing in DrBOOSTLY Plus Eye Physiotherapy instrument. Let's see what do you get inside. A user manual. A host device. A frame. A water spray bottle. An output cable. And the adapter and USB cable. Firstly, connect the host device and frame with the output cable. Spray some water to moisture the skin around the eyes, then put on the frame. You can flip up the cover to see and operate. Long press the power button to switch on. Switch between 10 or 15 minutes by pressing the timer button at the bottom. Press the Start/Pause button above to start the therapy. Then press the Power Plus button on the right to increase the power level until you feel the tingling. If it is too strong, lower the power by pressing the minus button on the left. Keep the power at your comfortable level, and you can close your eyes and enjoy the treatment. The device will beep twice and stop automatically once the treatment is completed. You can then take down the frame. Long press the power button to switch off the device, or it will shut down automatically in a minute.